This video will discuss how to set up variety locator in a combine on a Generation 4 display. The first step is to ensure that we have variety locator files loaded on the display. We will either need to get those from John Deere Operations Center, sent wirelessly to the display, or through a USB stick. In this example, we'll utilize a USB stick. Put the USB stick in the display and select Import Data. Then select Import from USB drive or Import Receive Files from My John Deere Operations Center. In this case, we will use Import from USB drive. Pick the profile you would like to utilize to set up the display. The display will now look for files in that profile to bring in as a setup file. You should see variety locator files in the list. As you can see, we have variety locator files 95 in this setup file. Normally you would select import. In this case, I already have them loaded on the display, so for the sake of time, I will cancel out. Once the files are on the display, navigate to the setup button in the left-hand bottom corner. Select the field you would like to set up. Select the correct crop. In this case, we'll use corn. And the display will automatically recognize that the display with this field has a variety locator file and will automatically select it in the variety box. As we can see, 2018 corn. If I would like to look at the map and preview where the varieties are at in the field, I can simply select the variety locator map and look at the display and the legend to determine where varieties are currently located in the field. I also have the ability to have the display notify me with an audible tone or a visible notification, a drop down from the top of the screen to show us that we have entered into a new variety. Once set up, select OK. In most normal situations, we will just navigate from one field to another. Select OK, and the variety locator will automatically pull up if I would like to view it. Again, I can go in, preview the field, and see what varieties are in the field. If I would like to switch to beans, I can simply select a soybean field, select soybeans, and the display will automatically pull in the variety locator map for that field that was planted to soybeans.